For today's set, I'm using clear full coverage coffin nails by BT Art Box, a baby blue by Kiss Gel, a gray by LA Colors Color Last, and this beautiful glitter. This will be part of my Bougie Nails on a Budget series. Hi NailTubers! Hey Nailification Squad! This color kept standing out from the others on the rack, and though I know it's a very peculiar color to use around this time, it just kept calling me, so I just followed that creative flow. I'll be doing 3 nails a solid color and 2 nails will get nail foil. I didn't mention embellishments in the intro because I had to decide as I went along. I'll use each top coat randomly as well. So how are you guys doing? I know everyone has so much going on while still trying to have somewhat of a normal life in the midst of everything that's happening. So with that said, I just ask that you stay safe and keep your health well. Now, instead of me explaining this set, it'll make better sense as you watch it because it is a freestyle set. Wait till you see how these turn out because I just love them. I'm really glad I followed my first mind. I want to thank all of you for joining me today. You know, it really means a lot to me because I've become familiar with so many of you, and that's what truly motivates me. Now, if you're new and like what you're seeing so far and would like to see more, I post every Tuesday and Thursday. Not only that, I tend to post spontaneous things on other days as well, so there's a lot of content for you to enjoy. In the meantime, in between time, while I'm expressing my gratitude and I'm doing this nail foil, I would like to give a very special acknowledgement to someone who recently caught me by total surprise. She did a video and plastered my channel and video practically across the entire screen and gave me a huge shout out. And also talked about how she considered some key points I made from my video. So a quick backstory. First, I don't think I mentioned in that video that was my first time ever with LED foil glue. I've always used what you've seen like in this set, the XKJ Star Glue, and it's always worked for me with regular polish and even the gel products and whatever else. But you know, we always want to try something new. A little more than a week ago, I was doing a haul on a MAKARTT nail foil art kit that I had for a while and never opened. And let me just say this first, so this is not interpreted the wrong way. The points I brought out had nothing to do with MAKARTT or the kit. It was more of a teaching moment. So I suggest that after you watch this to check it out, then go to her channel because she also had things to share. And when you go, be sure to let her know I sent you in love. Her name is Cammi, and her YouTube channel is Nails by Cammi. And Cammi has been so beautiful and very supportive since I've connected with her. This XKJ glue is not one that you cure. You wait until it's dry to a sticky residue. One difference I noticed after using the MAKARTT glue is that this has done well for me. It just seems to take a little more to work the foil. But then again, that could be me, or us, I should say. You know you can admit it with me. I thought this foil was interesting too. One thing I would have preferred is the lettering to be smaller. I think it would have been much cooler to be able to see or read what it says. Also, another person I'd like to acknowledge. Some of you are familiar with her. She left a comment with a very helpful tip. My nail sister, Twila Beginner Acrylic Nails. And here's her helpful tip. I've mentioned before that her videos are a watch me work acrylic, and she does all lengths and has been doing all of the latest nail styles. Be sure to check her out as well. And you tell her that I told you to let her know that I said I sent you in love. Now that I haven't explained much of this set, but you guys have been following this, right? I'm just adding some artful touches to give this set an abstract vibe. And while I'm doing that, I do want to mention that I will be having another giveaway coming up soon, and I'm so excited about it. I'm mentioning it now because the last one caught me by surprise, and I don't want to let that happen again. Although, even if it did, it'll all work out. Now here, I realized I didn't do 2 coats. No harm done. I just carefully added the extra coat to these small areas. I really like this light blue, but unfortunately, I've only had the one bottle of it for a while, and it has thickened. I added a little polish thinner, but let me tell you about that too. For me, notice I'm saying for me, in my opinion, IMO. Even though you add polish thinner, the polish is only good for that one use because it becomes even more difficult to work with. So this will be the only and last time you'll see this one unless I come across it again. Once I finish the little extra touches, I'll add variations of top coats on different areas of each nail. And then one nail will get some stones, guys, some stones.